Good morning. Welcome to a nice sunny day. Today's Saturday, July the 9th, 2022. Started a bike ride at 7:46 a.m. I don't know how I got rolling so quickly. I'm riding the Cervella Caledonia bike today. It's 81 degrees, partly cloudy. Wind is out of the southwest at 4 miles an hour. High today could hit 102 degrees. I hope to be finished before that happens. One way I got started early is I didn't watch the Gara d'Italia Donné nor the Tour de France stage start. So I'll catch those when I get back home. Today's route, south through Atascocita to FM 1960, east over Lake Houston, south on Fair Lake Lane, Old Atascocita Road east at FM 2100, 2100 north, FM 1960 west over the lake again, south through Walden, and then back to Kingwood. I'm at 180 miles for the week. Today's ride should probably be 32, maybe 33. So it shouldn't be a 200-mile week if all goes as planned. Several people out playing tennis at the Elm Grove tennis courts. Riding east alongside Kingwood Drive. Little bumpy bridge, timbers, decking. San Jacinto River and Lake Houston as I cross on West Lake, headed south on West Lake Houston Parkway. At the traffic light, I'm going to turn left on the Kings River Drive. I didn't mention it before, but my heart rate monitor, I've been using my arm sleeve to hold it in place, but it slides down. So I had this idea, put a rubber band below it, and that seems to work. That keeps it in place. Almost missed the first cyclist that I saw. I'm riding on Atascocita shores. Headed to the south to FM 1960. I'm at FM 1960 in Atascocita shores. Going through the construction area. It's all dirt on the westbound side. So I'll use the between the barriers when I come back. Going by the church on Fair Lake Lane, Ember Church. Looks like we got a bunch of cars, potential cyclists on the roads. Entering the S curve, we're going to turn the camera on just in case. Yep, here comes a cyclist. That was a good just in case. All right. Riding east on Old Atascocita Road, headed FM 2100. I have an approaching cyclist on the left. Two more coming up. And one more. FM 2100 ahead. I'll turn left. I'll go across FM 2100 and then east a little bit and then make a U-turn. Another cyclist. I didn't see him stopped. There's two or three more on the other side.
I met him at
See some more cyclists in the distance. Make a U-turn at the driveway here. Okay, time to make a turn back. Just turned right onto FM 2100, riding to FM 1960 in Huffman. All the barrels are gone, which is okay. We got a nice wide shoulder. Approaching the railroad tracks in FM 1960 in Huffman. I'll go right on FM 1960, make a U-turn, and go west on FM 1960. I'm going to have a headwind going west. .1 miles, so it's an official 200-mile week. Getting ready to ride over Lake Houston on FM 1960 headed west. The headwind is strong. Back at FM 2100, I've changed to the 35-15 gear. Save my legs. 22.1 miles. Time is 26 minutes after 9. Average speed 13.5 miles an hour. Riding between the barriers as I get to the Atascocita Shores Drive, where I'll turn left. Riding parallel to Westlake Houston Parkway, headed north. .9 miles. Time is 3 minutes after 10. Average speed 13.4 miles an hour. That headwind going across, headed west over Lake Houston. There's a bear. I was probably average 12 miles an hour. The beef was just hit 30.0 miles.